If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to a BNB video update. Now BNB, again, we have the spinning top, we have some shooting stars, some few different bearish candles that actually screams like a good shorting opportunity. Number one is shooting star. Okay, that's a very clear reversal candle to move lower, especially that evening star is being made next to the EMAs, and the EMAs are acting as big resistance. Look at this resistance. It's just like rinse and repeat, where you came down, back tested the EMA, got rejected, dropped down. So this is what's happening. Go down, back test the EMAs, get rejected, go down, back test the EMA, go down, back test the EMA again, and then continue lower. Don't forget that this is a target that I've given you. $112 is a target. Yesterday I've been through this with you, talking about Adam and Eve, double top. And right now, continuing on in the smaller time frame, basically you have a shooting star, a reversal candlestick, a spinning top, another bearish reversal candlestick. Combining these three candles, you have an evening star as well. So you really want to put a stop loss above $254, because if you go above 254, backtest 252, hold it as support, and then you could have higher chances to retrace back to 275, which is another key level of resistance up to these levels right there. There's a little bit of an untapped liquidity right there. Could it move up there? It's not possible right now with bearish candles. As long as you actually break above the bearish candles, then we can talk about moving to that key level up here between $280 and $275. But still, on a higher time frame, on a swing trade concept, if you look at it that way, we still are looking to drop down to $112. And that's pretty much it for this update on BNB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.